In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple monthly budget in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed starting a budget from scratch, the good news is Excel already includes ready-made layouts that do most of the setup for you. We'll use those built-in templates so you can focus on your numbers, not formatting. Start by opening Excel to the Home or Start screen. If you're already in a workbook, look to the very top left corner and click File. That takes you to the Backstage area where all the high-level commands live, like New, Open, Save, and, most importantly for us, the Template Gallery. Think of this space as your launchpad for standardized, professionally designed spreadsheets. From there, find and click More Templates. Depending on your version, you might see a new page first. More Templates reveals the full gallery rather than just a short list of suggestions. This view is designed to help you discover exactly the kind of spreadsheet you need without reinventing the wheel. You'll notice a search bar at the top and categories below it. We're going to use the search because it's faster and pulls together all the relevant designs in one place. In the search bar, type budget and press enter. Excel will return a collection of budget-related options, including personal, family, household, and event budgets. The selection can vary slightly by region or app version, so don't worry if your screen looks a bit different. If you want to be more specific, try the phrase monthly budget, but even a simple search for budget will surface what you need. As the results load, you'll see thumbnails and short descriptions. This preview helps you quickly spot layouts that track income, expenses, and monthly totals. Now choose a template that fits your style. A simple monthly budget layout is ideal if you want clear categories and straightforward summaries. Click a template to open its preview and read the description so you know what's included, such as charts, category lists, and built-in formulas. Check that the currency format matches what you use and that the categories make sense for your situation. Minimalist templates are great if you prefer fewer distractions, while more detailed ones can help you analyze spending at a deeper level. When you've found the one that feels right, select it to load the workbook. From here, the template will guide you with placeholder text and pre-built calculations, making it easy to keep your monthly income and expenses organized and up to date. And that's all it takes. File, More Templates, search for budget, and choose the template that suits you.